Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. Today I'm going to be talking about the benefits of apple cider vinegar. But before revealing all the benefits, I'm going to tell you what apple cider vinegar actually is. Apple cider vinegar is made from apple cider that is further fermented to form a health promoting probiotics and enzyme, and apple cider vinegar has a lot of variants. The one that I really like using is this apple cider vinegar with mother. This is from the brand Healthcart. I used to use a different brand of apple cider vinegar before, but I've switched to this Healthcart's apple cider vinegar with mother. This version of apple cider vinegar with mother is really beneficial because it still has all those culture of beneficial bacteria that are good for your health, skin and hair. That's the main reason I've switched to this brand. Unfiltered apple cider vinegar with mother has this misty appearance. I hope you can see. And you need to shake this bottle before using this apple cider vinegar so that you mix all the good things together. Now I'm going to talk about apple cider vinegar's benefit for hair. Apple cider vinegar is acidic in nature and thus changes the pH of your scalp, making it harder for yeast growth, which is the main culprit for dandruff. So you need to mix 2 spoons of apple cider vinegar with 6 spoons of water. That is, you have to dilute apple cider vinegar before using it, and then dip a cotton pad into that solution and rub it onto your scalp very gently, and then leave it for 10 to 15 minutes and wash it off using water. You need to use this method once a week and you will definitely see reduction in your dandruff. We often see that the shampoo that worked for our hair stops giving the result after a few uses. That's because of the product buildup in your hair. So apple cider vinegar helps in removing that product buildup. To remove the product buildup, you need to mix 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in a cup of water, and then after shampooing your hair, rinse your water with that solution. Keep it on for 5 minutes and then rinse it off again using water and apply a really light conditioner, and then again rinse it off with water. You need to do this twice a month, not a week, 2 times in a month to remove all the product buildup, and trust me, your hair care products will work much better after you remove all those product buildups. Now I'm going to talk about apple cider vinegar's benefit for the skin. It's a common knowledge that a strain of bacteria is responsible for acne and pimple on your skin, and apple cider vinegar has antibacterial properties that is effective against a strain of bacteria that are responsible for all your acne and pimple concerns. So it helps in killing all those bacteria and promotes a more healthier and more cleaner looking skin. And because apple cider vinegar is rich in lactic acid, acetic acid, citric acid, it also helps in resurfacing your skin and remove the scars, reduce the pigmentation and improves the texture of your skin, and thus promotes a more clearer skin. The best way to use apple cider vinegar on your skin is like a skin toner, and now I'm going to show you how you can make your own apple cider vinegar skin toner.
To make your skin toner, take approximately 1 cup of water and then add 10 ml of apple cider vinegar into that water. Take a cotton pad and dip it into the solution and wipe off your face after cleansing. You can also store this toner in a bottle, but do not dip your finger into the solution like I did. If you want to store it, you can store it in the refrigerator.
Apple cider vinegar is rich in AHAs, that is alpha hydroxy acids, and as you all know, AHAs are really great in reducing the appearance of your pores. AHAs basically resurface your skin, removes dead cells, dead skin from the surface of your skin, and reveals a more fresh skin cells, and thus your skin appears more clear and fresh when you use AHAs or when you include AHAs in your regular skincare routine. So you need to use apple cider vinegar as your skin toner in a similar way that I told you in my previous point. Use it daily after cleaning your face, and if you have sensitive skin, dilute it a little bit more. And also don't forget to use sunscreen if you are using any acidic product, in this case apple cider vinegar. It's summer season and you are more prone to sunburn, and as I've already told you, apple cider vinegar changes the pH of your skin, and if you use apple cider vinegar as sunburn soother, it will help in reducing sunburn, preventing blisters, and it also soothes and calms down your skin. So I'm going to show you how to make your own apple cider vinegar sunburn soother.
Approximately a cup of water, and then add around 12 to 13 ml of apple cider vinegar into this water. Now dip a cotton pad into the solution and apply it gently onto the sunburned part. It will soothe your skin.
Now since we have discussed all the benefits of apple cider vinegar and how it can help in promoting healthier hair and skin, I also want to share with you a word of advice. Apple cider vinegar is acidic in nature, which means you need to dilute it before consuming or using it on your skin or hair. So when you want to consume apple cider vinegar, 10 ml in a glass of water is considered sufficient, and when you want to use it on your hair and skin, I have already told you the ratio in the points discussed previously. Apple cider vinegar is magical. It does wonders to your body, skin, hair and overall health, but you need to use it in moderation, that is by diluting it, and also make sure to use unfiltered version of apple cider vinegar like the one that I use, and preferably use apple cider vinegar with mother. So you will see this with mother tag. So the brand that I use is Health Cart, and I will put a link down in the description box below so that you can order it from there. The price is 525 rupees for 500 ml and it will last really long. Now coming to the giveaway part, I have one extra bottle. The same version that I use, apple cider vinegar with mother. So I have this bottle and I really want to gift it to one of you. All you need to do is comment down below why you want to win this Health Cart's apple cider vinegar with mother and how you will include it in your daily routine. I will announce the winner on 2nd of May on my community tab in YouTube, on Instagram story and on Facebook. So make sure to check it out. And yeah, all the best. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video and this video was useful for you. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.